This is our third video, and today we're making a creamy chicken pasta that's rich, comforting, and honestly hard to stop eating. I'm starting with about 250 grams of chicken tenderloin. I cut it into medium-sized pieces, not too small, not too large. We want them juicy, not dry, and definitely not lost in the sauce. Now it's time to season. Salt, Cajun spice, paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder. I mix everything by hand so the chicken really absorbs the flavor. Then I add some Pol Biber Weichwurz Niger and High White. That gentle heat makes a big difference. You can let the chicken rest in the fridge for an hour if you have time, but honestly, we can cook it right away too, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. A little olive oil goes into the pan over medium heat, then some butter. That butter and olive oil combination is perfect for cooking chicken. Great flavor, better control. I add the chicken, separating the pieces so they brown properly. I keep stirring so every side gets color. If you like your chicken more golden, you can add a pinch of turmeric here. After about 10 minutes, when the chicken is nicely cooked, I take it out of the pan and set it aside. We'll bring it back later. Now let's build the pasta sauce. I start with a large onion, diced. A bit more butter goes into the same pan, and the onions go in. I let them cook slowly, mixing with all those flavors left behind. Next, bell peppers. Orange, yellow, or red. Use whatever you like. These colors just look great on the plate. I dice them and add them to the pan with the onions. Look at that color already. Food should look happy before it even tastes good. Now, garlic. I slice a few cloves and add them in. Garlic is one of the pillars of pasta cooking, at least for me. But I'm curious, what do you think? Does pasta always need garlic, or can it work without it? Let me know in the comments. At this point, lower the heat. Garlic and onions burn fast. And yes, my phone rang, I got distracted, and the onions browned a bit more than planned. Still turned out pretty good though. Cooking is real life. Now, it's time for the pasta. I'm using 250 grams of spirali pasta, but use whatever shape you like. I mix it with the vegetables, letting it toast slightly. Then I add 2 cups of broth, chicken, beef, or even hot water. After that, 2 cups of full-fat milk with some cream. How rich you go is completely up to you. I let this simmer for 7 to 8 minutes until the sauce thickens. Now I season again, a little salt, then Cajun spice, time for cheese. Parmesan goes in first, then some cheddar, and finally mozzarella. I stir until the sauce becomes creamy and slightly stretchy. if it gets too thick, just add a bit more warm water or milk. Once the sauce is ready, the chicken goes back into the pan. Everything comes together now. I finish with fresh herbs, parsley, basil, and coriander. You can add them in the pan or directly on the plate. And that's it. Creamy chicken pasta, rich, comforting, and full of flavor. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. And here's a fun question. Tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to see how different countries enjoy their pasta. See you in the next video.